In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat history in Microsoft Copilot. To get started, open Microsoft Copilot on your device or in your browser. Before you make any changes, make sure you're signed into your account. This is important because your chat history and activity settings are tied to your personal Microsoft account. If you're not signed in, you may not see the right options and the history controls may not be available. Once you're inside Copilot and signed in, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You'll find your profile icon there. Click on that profile icon, then choose Settings. This will open a settings pop-up window where you can manage different parts of your Copilot experience. In the settings pop-up, look at the panel on the left side and click Privacy. This is where Microsoft places the controls related to your data and activity. After that, find the option labeled Export or Delete History and click it. When you do, a new browser tab will open and take you to your Microsoft account activity history page. This page is where Microsoft stores and organizes different types of account activity, including Copilot usage. On that page, scroll down until you find the section called Copilot App Activity History. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section, especially if you see other account activity categories on the page. You want the Copilot related history area specifically. When you're in the right section, click the button that says Delete All Activity History. This tells Microsoft that you want to remove the stored Copilot activity linked to your account. After clicking it, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This extra step is there to prevent accidental deletion, so review the prompt and then confirm your choice by clicking Clear. Once you click Clear, your request will be submitted, and that's it. Your Copilot chat activity history will be deleted. As a quick tip, if the page doesn't update immediately, give it a few moments or refresh the tab to verify the change. Also keep in mind that deleting activity history may remove your ability to refer back to previous Copilot conversations, so make sure you no longer need that information before clearing it. That's the full process for deleting chat history in Microsoft Copilot.